Get the perfect angle and stability for your projector with the best mounts. Ideal for home theater, office, or gaming setups. Starting at number 1, Kanto P101W mount. Kanto P101W Universal Projector Ceiling Mount. White is a versatile ceiling mount that lets you securely hang and position your projector in home theaters, offices, or boardrooms. It supports most projectors up to 22 on the soliders with a solid steel design and durable powder-coated finish. The mount extends from roughly 3 inches to 12 inches below the ceiling, offers plus a 20-degree tilt and 360-degree swivel for flexible aiming, and includes mounting arms and projector hardware for easy setup, though ceiling plate hardware isn't included. Number 2, VIVO Mount VP2 Projector Mount. The VIVO Universal Extending Ceiling Projector Mount, Mount VP02W, in white is a versatile and sturdy solution for mounting most projectors up to 30 lumps. Made from high-grade steel, it features a telescoping design that extends from 15 inches to 23 inches from the ceiling, allowing you to achieve the perfect projection height. The mount offers flexible positioning with 15-degree tilt, 15-degree swivel, and full 360-degree rotation, ensuring optimal viewing angles for home theaters, classrooms, offices, or conference rooms. Its adjustable arms accommodate a wide range of projector mounting hole patterns, and quick-release hooks make installation simple and convenient. This mount combines durability, flexibility, and ease of use for a reliable ceiling projector setup. Number 3, Aurzen Ceiling Projector Mount. The Aurzen Ceiling Projector Mount Bracket is a universal adjustable ceiling mount designed for smaller projectors that have a centered 1/4 inch threaded screw hole. It features 360-degree rotation and up to 90-degree vertical tilt, so you can easily position your projector for the best viewing angle, and a telescoping pole that extends from about 9 inches to 15 inches for flexible height placement. This mount supports projectors weighing up to roughly 2.5 k's, 5.5 size on the ceiling, and includes a complete mounting kit with the base, pole, hardware, and manual for quick installation. Just be sure to install it on solid wood, brick, or concrete surfaces for safety. Number 4, Joy Worker Projector Mount. The Joy Worker Universal Projector Ceiling Mount Wall Bracket Holder is a versatile and heavy-duty mounting solution for home or office projectors, supporting most models with mounting holes up to about 12.5 inches apart and a weight capacity of up to 33 lumps thanks to its premium steel construction. It offers 3 installation methods: flush ceiling, telescoping arm ceiling, or wall mount, and features an adjustable length from roughly 5.5 to 25.2, so you can position your projector at the ideal height. With full motion flexibility, including 30-degree tilt, 30-degree swivel, and 360-degree rotation, you can easily fine-tune your viewing angle, and the mount works on both flat and sloped ceilings. All necessary hardware and instructions are included for setup. Number 5, AREAJD Small Mini Projector Mount. The AREAJD All-Black Small Mini Projector Mount is a compact and space-saving wall mount shelf designed for small projectors up to about 11.7 x 7.87 in size and supporting a maximum load of around 10 lumps. It helps clear floor and table clutter by safely mounting your mini projector and even accessories like cable boxes or routers on the wall. And its simple design doesn't require long poles, extension cords, or specialized tools for installation. This foldable wall mount uses otherwise wasted wall space, keeps your room set up neat, and is easy to install with basic hardware included.